G'day comrade subscribers. Let's continue work on our Radio 86. Thanks to PCB Way for helping me out with this project. So Sergey's made a small ROM module here. So and he's also provided a 32K ROM image that we can use that's got BASIC and some games on it. So it just connects via a 2x13 connector, so 26-way connector, to the parallel port on the Radio 86. So pin 1, connect to pin 1, which is on the right there, like so. And I think I should be able to capture video properly this time, hence why I've got this here, because I've got it sitting on top of my Sony DVD recorder. So I've got the video output going from the Radio 86 into the DVD recorder, which is then outputting, which I'm then capturing with my Elgato analog USB capture, because it didn't like it straight from the Radio 86, but it does like it once it's been kind of reformatted by the Sony. So it's not composite, but it's baseband video into the Sony, and then I'm capturing S-video, the best quality coming out. So we've got the ROM module connected up there, and then I'm going to use the front input. Just grab any sort of RCA cable, and let's see. Right, let's give this a go. So to load a ROM, use the R command, the monitor R command. Starting address, end address or length, I think. Actually, it says on the back here, doesn't it? ROM start address, ROM end address, destination start address. Read from the ROM connected to the parallel interface to memory. So, but as Sergey, I assume it's Sergey, as he's created a 32K ROM with various software on it, he's actually also written a ROM loader, which makes it quite easy. So all we need to do is use the command R0, 200, 0, and then G to execute it, and it'll give us a neat little menu. So let's start recording. Okay, it's power on. Okay, is it going to work? Hey, it's working. Well, let's see. We do the R. Okay, so far so good. R0, no, it's misbehaving now. Okay. Okay. So this is what I mean by it misbehaving. Might need to warm up a bit. Okay, power off, because reset doesn't help. Power off. Power on. Okay, let's try again. R0, 200, 0. Okay, and then G we go. And there's our menu. So we've got basic, edasm, so editor assembler, editor disassembler, DP-DDT. I don't know what DP-DDT is. And then we've got Zonix, Othello, and Tetris. So let's try 3. Copy editor to temp buffer. Copy temp buffer to editor. Okay, and then 0 the RAM out. Okay, so let's do, what's DP-DDT? I can have a look at the assembly, because he's included all the assembly. No, it's not doing anything, unless it's a large program. Don't know. Alright, reset. Let's try something else then. 0, 200, 0. G. Okay. I'm not sure how to play Zonix. Othello and Tetris. Let's try Tetris. Okay. Now I'm not going to insult everyone by trying to read the Russian. But basically, from what I understand, it's 789 and then space to drop. So 7 left, 9 right, 8 spin, and then space to drop it. So I think I'll start. Okay. Let's go. Right. Okay, drop it. Okay, so what will I do with this one? Stick it there for now. Okay. All right. I'm not sure how to go down a bit faster. I'll just wait. I assume this is like Game Boy Tetris. Perfect. Okay. I didn't mean to press space. I meant press 6. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me just go down here. Well, it tells us what's not. Oh, okay. Of course, on the left there, it's just telling us what's coming up next as well. Okay. Shall I play this until I get a Tetris? Don't know. Oh, that's going to be a bit tight. Can I? I'm not going to squeeze it in, am I? You know, you can see what I'm going to do. I'm not going to make it, am I? Yes, yes, yes. No, I didn't make it. Okay, that's embarrassing. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh no! I didn't mean to. I meant to press 6. Okay. All right. I meant to press 6. Okay. Like that. Okay. Oh, I haven't seen one of those for a while. I think that's the first time I got one of those. It's a waste, but we'll clear that line out. So how long do you guys want to see this for? I should have looked what was coming next. Okay. Well, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, stick that one there, then I'll stick this one over here. And then it reboots. So, yeah, there's still some misbehavior, unfortunately. I'm going to have to try and figure out. 8080 is not too hot. Yeah, all right, well, let's try something else if it's going to behave. No. Nope. Nope. All right. Power off. Power on. Okay. And then go. Othello. Leningrad. Leningrad. Copyright 1987. Avtor Kononov. Okay. Othello. Urovenya. Igru. Okay. I don't know. So maybe level. Budete. Is that an L? Li. Vous igrata. Igrata. I don't know. Yes or no? I don't know. Yes. All right. Computer. Okay. Computer. Hodits. Computer code. Computer codits. Codits. Perfume. Oh, I don't know. All right. Why not? Yes. Okay. Already the game has started and I'm already behind. So I'm the little man. Yes, I'm the little man. So I can go E5 or I can go D3 or I can go diagonal C5. Might do C5. I think it's C5. C5. Okay. I used to play Othello on the Atari 2600 all the time. Not that that means I'm any good at this. It just means I used to play it all the time. You want to get the corners. So you want to get A0, A7, H0, H7. Because when you're in the corner, you can't lose that spot. Should I go diagonal again? Problem is if I go up to the diagonals, then he can probably get me. What do you reckon? B6? B6. Okay. See, now he can, I see exactly what, he can now go A7 and he can get that corner, but I don't know if he will. So what do I want to do? Tricky jam. So I'll go D6 maybe. Okay. Yeah, he's gone in the corner. I walked right into that one. Okay, so I don't know. Immediate gain for loss later. C3. Let's go C3. I'm actually ahead. I was ahead. I was ahead. Oh, he can go C7 and get a lot of my men. So I don't want to. I want to prevent that if possible. So if I go C1, although D2 would give me more men, more of his pieces immediately. Or I could go E5, but that's, he can still then just go C1 and obliterate. So I might have to go. No, he can go. Sorry, C7. So I might have to go C1 to try and block him. Okay. And now I can go, I can get a whole lot, a quick hit, G1, but then he can then immediately go H0 and get that corner as well. So, I know. If I go E2, I get 1. I'll go, oh, what the heck, go D2. D2. Okay. I can't get A0 because I don't have a little man on the end there. Oh, I'm one ahead. Wow. Okay. But if I went F3, and as long as he then doesn't take any of my, I could get the corner. All right, let's see if I can do F3 and get away with it. F3. Yes, I can get away. I can get A0. I should be able to get A0, I think. Yay, I've got a corner now. Oh. Well, not too far behind, considering he started first. He started it. Okay, what about B7? B7, I can get 1. What about A6? I can get 2. B5, I could get a couple there. Let's try B5. Yeah, alright. Okay, so I could go G6 and get his men, and I should be safe for now from him getting h7 corner. Should I do that? Or should I just leave it? It's just too tempting, isn't it? I'll just go a6 for now. a6. Okay. What's something tempting? d1. d1. I'm still... Okay, let's do d1. Do d1. Alright, let's try d1. See, that was what I was... Yeah, so if I'd gone to g6 and got all of his men, then all he has to do is break my chain of diagonal men, and then he can then take h7. So I'm just trying to avoid it at the moment. Like I'm playing strategically. Alright, nothing really exciting. I can maybe go for g4, get a couple there, g4. I reckon this thing's cheating. Oh, maybe that was one of the decisions at the start, whether, yeah, who goes first. Okay. Right. We'll do e2. Probably people are screaming at the screen. No, it's obvious. Go for this one. Maybe I'll go e5. e5. We're all both avoiding the corners. And then b, go a4. Let's try a4. Okay. So I'm not too far behind. Where do I want to go? Where do I want to go now? Because I want to try and stay on the sides, but that doesn't really matter. So if I go a2, then I'm kind of... Those ones are safe for a little while, I think, maybe. Okay. Oh, God, okay. It's all he has to do is do a1, and then he can... Oh, yeah, okay. That's no good. That wasn't very clever, Brett. Yeah, no shit. g5. g5. Oh, well, d... sod it. Let's do d. Let's do d0. Alright, let's do d0. Okay, well, at least I'm not... At least he's not twice as far ahead anymore. See, for me, it's like I'm trying to keep this interesting for you, so I'm not just sitting here thinking. We're trying to keep this kind of going along, so it's not too boring. Sod it. Let's go b3. Oh, no. So that gives me a few options. That actually gives, so I can do g3, get a few there. I could go e6. I could go e... Oh, no, if I go e1, and if he doesn't do anything, then I can get some more the next turn. Okay. See, so now I can go... Oh, no, the thing is, yeah, so if I go e6, and then because he's got e0, then he can... so I want to go I want to get rid of his thing there. No, but if I do F0, he can go G0. That doesn't really... So I need to do B0, which isn't going to get me much at all. Okay. So... So if I go F... Ooh, if I go F1... Okay. But he can still go A1 there. So if I go... both avoiding the corners. Alright, let me go... See, it's like, because the thing is, if I go E6, he can still go... Oh, what about if I go G0? Okay. And then I can go... Well, I can go A1. I'm pretty safe there. If I go A1, then I can do G7. Or I can go E6, and I can take out a few there. Or should I go A1? A1's safe at the moment. I think, yeah, A1's safe at the moment. He can't go there, I don't think. Although then if I do go E6, he will be able to go... Yeah, he will be able to go to A1. So why don't... Can I take A1? No, I can't take A1 at the moment, can I? No, I don't have anything on the vertical there. I can go B7. B7. Ah, and he went A1 anyway. Fangulo. Alright, so... Okay. E6. Whatever. E6. Let's get this over and done with. Okay. Alright, let's do E7. Let's do E7. Alright, I can go H0, so I can take the corner. I can take the corner, H0. Yes, I got the corner. Alright, I got two corners. Okay. I can do H1. H1 will be pretty safe, I guess. I'm not expecting to win, but I'm just trying to be safe. Alright. And then I can do creeping up to the corner. Then I can do H3. Oh. Am I ahead? Okay. Alright, so I can do G7. If I do G7, he can get the corner. And he'll get in front. If I do G6, he can get the corner. If I do H5, well, I'm putting it off for a bit, so let's do H5. Alright, where's he going to go? Okay. Alright, so he can't take... Oh, sugar. Oh, yes, no, I can take the corner. I can take H0, can I? I can take H0. No, I can't take H0. H7, sorry. I'm texting. H7, yes! Suck on that. Alright, let me guess. I'll go G7. Yeah, something. Vasha. Oh no, Vlada? No, is that an A or is that a... No, that's an A, isn't it? Vlasha? Podea? Pobeda. Vasha Pode... My brain is mentally exhausted from the game of Othello. Vasha. Pobeda. Vasha Pobeda. Okay. Alright. So I'm back there. There we go. How was that? Is that pretty cool? All right, I'm going to have to stop recording. I foolishly set it for a half an hour recording. Let me stop recording. Continue. Again. And... all right. Start recording. Start recording again. So, yeah, so how was that? We can have a look at Zonix, but I don't know how to play it. Then go. So for adapted by Micron. Oosh, okay. See, I don't know da or niet. I don't know how to answer da or niet to this. Let's answer. Do I have to do in Cyrillic? Where's da? Da? Okay. Skorost. Skorost? Skorost. Skorost. I don't know. Level? I don't know what that is. Skolko. 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 Irokov. Igrokov. So, because Igra is game, isn't it? Igrokov. Budet. Budjet. Budjet. Igrata. Igrata. I don't know. No idea. Let's do 2 for this time. Imya. 1. Igroka. Okay. Is that player 1? I don't know. I don't know what this does now. It means his name? No? That'll do. PB. Okay. FO. Fo. Okay. Now what? Something 2 or Z? I don't know where Z is on this thing. I don't know what it's... there's Z up there. But I don't know what it's asking me. So PB, so that's the first player or something. I don't know what it wants me to do. But there we go, there's Zonix. Oh, okay, it's doing something. Okay. If you want me to play this, I can play this in another video once I've figured out how to play it. But there we go. Oh, something happened. That's pretty fast, isn't it? The 8080 is getting hot. All right, let's reset. Reset. There we go. So that's the ROM that Sergey has created to go with his homebrew computer here. Pretty cool, isn't it? I'm enjoying it. Have a look. So I'm going to change these keycaps for better ones. So yeah, I don't know how to use the other stuff. So basic, I don't if it's the same as on the partner. I'm thinking of the partner, or which one? I think it was the partner, or was it the Lviv? I think it's the partner. Da or yes? Okay, so delete doesn't work, which makes things very interesting. Delete doesn't work or something. Yeah. So I don't think this is going to be too instructive. Oshibka. We know what Oshibka is, don't we? So that'd be a syntax. Oshibka's error, isn't it? So syntaxy. I'm not sure that one. Syntaxy Gascari. So syntax error. Yes, I know it's syntax error. Where was I again? I was just going to try and do list. I don't have S on here. Where's S? No, see, because I can't do delete. Syntaxi Oshibka. Anyway, there we go. Hopefully that was of some interest. So that's loading ROM software. Sergey's made it so easy. Let me just stop recording. Yeah, he's made it so easy with his ROM module, with the ROM and the ROM loader that he's added. So yeah. Next, we'll be making up a cassette interface and trying to track down some software to load via the cassette interface. So hopefully that was of some interest. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.